In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank account on eBay with ease. Perfect for beginners looking to set up their eBay accounts for smooth sales transactions. We'll break this process down into just a few steps, ensuring everything is clear and simple to follow, even if you're entirely new to eBay. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Payment Settings section of your eBay account. This is your centralized hub for managing how you get paid for sales, making it an essential part of your seller profile. You can find it by logging into your eBay account and looking for the Account tab, usually located on the top right corner of the screen. Once there, click on it, and then select Payments, which should direct you to the Payment Settings area. Once you're in the Payments settings, the next thing to do is to select Add Bank Account. It's usually clearly marked to make the setup as intuitive as possible. By choosing this option, eBay will guide you towards linking a bank account of your choice. This step is crucial because it guarantees that the funds from your sales are deposited where you want them. After selecting to add a bank account, it's time to enter your account's routing and account number. Ensure you have this information handy before starting this step to avoid any frustrating delays. The routing number is a 9-digit code used to identify your bank, while the account number should be unique to your account. Double-check these numbers to ensure there are no errors. A small mistake could result in misdirected funds or delays in receiving your money. Finally, once you've entered your banking details, it's time to confirm and save your information. eBay will likely prompt you to review the details you've entered before finalizing, which is a good opportunity to check everything over one last time. After confirming that your input is correct, simply save the settings. And there you have it. Your bank account should now be linked to your eBay account, allowing you to receive payments quickly and hassle-free. A couple of additional tips to consider. Always ensure that the bank account you link is active and in your name to avoid any complications. Also, if you run into any issues, eBay provides support services that can assist with troubleshooting, so don't hesitate to reach out to them if needed. By following these steps methodically, you should now have a bank account successfully linked to your eBay profile, making the process of selling and receiving payments seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more beginner-friendly guides on navigating